Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Suraya Salam. For this project, we have downloaded a virtual box. In the virtual box, we have downloaded the Ubuntu version 18.0.4 version. First, we have to open a new terminal and we have to snap it always on top. First, we need to get Ubuntu permission. For this, we have to give this command. After that, we have to input a password. Then we have to create a directory by using these commands. Here we have three files: root ca, subca and server in the root file. Now we have to change the permission of the directory that you created by using this command. Then for root ca and subca, we need to create an index by using this command. Then we need to input three commands. For generating hexadecimal random number, we will give this command. Now for creating a serial number for root CA, we will use this command line. After that, for sub CA, we will use this command. Finally, we will move to CA directory where we will do our main one. Thank you everyone. Now further we will discuss my next group member.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Nurunahar. I am going to describe how to generate public key for root CA and sub CA and server. So here we are generating public key for root CA using this open SSL command. Here the password we are using is called root. And then press enter. Next, generating public key using open SSL command for sub CA. Here also the password is root. And then we press enter. Now finally generating public key for the server using the open SSL command. Now using three commands, we can see that public key for root CA, sub CA and server has been created successfully. Now I am going to discuss about generating certificates part. Here we have to create root CA configuration. We have to edit this part root CA configuration. We have to copy certificate text file and paste it. Now I have to save and exit it. Then in the next part we have to move inside root CA directory. For the next part, my next group member will be presenting. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Arnab Sharkar. So here we have to generate a root CA certificate by giving this OpenSSL request command. After that, we have to give the country name, state name, locality name, and organization. This will be default. After that, we have to ensure that the certificate has been created properly by OpenSSL command. And this is called RSA algorithm. After that, we have to move step back to the subca directory. Here we have to edit the subca configure file. Then the rest of the part we have to copy from the certificate text file. We have to edit this part and we have to copy and paste it. After that, we will save it and exit. Then next we have to see the change by giving tree command. Now we are requesting for subca certificate signing request by giving OpenSSL command. Now I have to give the password and the rest of the country name, locality name, and organization name. Then we have to move to the previous folder by cd command. Then signing request to the subca by root ca. Then we have to give the password, which is root. Then we have to press Y, again Y. Then if we want to see the directory, we have to type the tree command, where we can see the PEM file has generated by using cat index. Then seeing detail for root CA, we have to give OpenSSL command. It is also an RSA algorithm. Thank you so much. The next part will conduct by my group member.
Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ridwan Hussain. Now I am going to configure the server by moving to server. We have moved to the server. Now we have to generate a certificates signing request from the server by copying this command. Here the country name is PD. State and provenance name is Dhaka. Locality city is Temra. Organization name is EW. Organizational unit name cybersecurity. Common name www.com. And email address is I'm going to give my personal email address, which is a challenge password. I'm going to skip this part, and optional company name. I'm also going to skip this part. Moving to subca, to sign in a server certificate by copying this command. Subca signing certificate request of server. We have to copy this command and enter the password which we previously gave, which was root. If we want to see the details what we have done, we can see by giving cat index. Moving to search folder to see certificate server by copying this command. See the directory by using this command. We can see that server cert file has been generated. Now connecting subca cert and server cert and naming the new file change cert by copying this command. The command has been given. Now if we want to see the changes, we have to give ls, and here we can see the change cert and server cert. Moving back to server directory by copying this command. Now we have to ping our server by copying this command. After entering the command, we can see our server has been pinged, and this is our DNS. If we can see the server is being pinged, and if we want to stop this, we can give the command cursor plus C. After this, the command will be stopped. Turning on the SSL port by copying this command. Opening a new terminal. For our help, we will always give this prompt always on top. again we have to give the root permission by giving sudo -i. We have to give our operating system password. Now we have entered the root permission. If we want to see the port number used in different IP address, we can see by copying this command. Here we can see that our DNS server and IP address. If we want to update our sudo, we can use this command to update. Here we can see the update is taking places and all the update has been done. We can also update our curl. And there is 0 upgrade, 0 newly installed and 0 removed. Copying certificate to SCA certificate folder by copying this command. Previously we have created a folder in the document folder uh, in home folder, the certificate folder. We are going to copy all our certificate to that location. And we have to update the certificate by giving this command. And if we see done, all the updated has been done in the certificate. Now we have to open another terminal. For our help, we will keep this always on top. Sudo -i for root permission, and we have to give our operating system password. If we want to see our progress, what we have done, we can copy this command and paste it in here. Here we can see a PEM file has been generated. Currently there are two PEM files in a root folder and in a subca folder. Finally, copy new source into new direction by copying this command. We have generated some lots of type of certificate folder, cert folder. We have to if we want to all of them to in a one place, we can copy all this command, which are csert, subcert, and change cert, service cert, and lastly server key to our new location, which we have created previously in home folder, which name is certificate folder. All our certificate has been copied into a one place, which is certificate folder. Next, to go in a location, here computer optional lamp etc and extra. We are going to open a terminal from here. We are going to give root permission, sudo -i, it was wrong. I'm going to give the password again. One. Oh, okay. Here I'm going to copy this command. Okay, I'm going to start this process again by closing this terminal. We can go from the opening a new terminal and being in always on top, giving a root permission by sudo -i, giving the password. Okay, going to this location by copying this command, and if we want to edit, we have to give 777 to execute the gedit command. If we want to edit any file, we have to gedit this. Now I'm going to enter the command. Here we can see a new file has opened. From here we have to change line 106. We are going to copy this command, copy, and go to the line 106. 106. Here SSL server start. Then we are going to copy line 116. Oh, I made a mistake here. Backspace. Okay, copying 116, copying 116 here, paste, and 136. Copy 136. Currently we can see 136 have been turned off. We are going to remove the hash folder and change the directory path by copying that command, pasting that command. Here we have all paste all the change all the necessary things, and we are going to save the file and close the program. Here we can see many changes have been done. Now we can open our XAMPP app. We can close that program also. We are going to open our XAMPP app, which we have previously downloaded, by going to optional, lamp, and opening a new terminal. We are going to open XAMPP app by giving sudo su, entering our password. Okay, if you want to see the directory, giving ls command. Here we can see the file name, manager linux into 64. We are going to copy that. If you want to execute or run a command, we are going to give chmod a plus rwx and pasting that directory. Here we can see the program is now executable. Now if we want to run that program, we are going to dot slash and directory name. Here we can see our XAMPP app have been opened. We are going to visit Apache Friend, and here we can see our server is currently running. We are going to the server by using our browser. Currently this is our server name. We are going to copy this, paste it here. Sometimes it show error, but we can go further because of some. I'm going to minimize it for my okay, accept and risk. Here we can see we have entered our server which we are creating, but we can see it is not secure yet. Now we are going to secure the server. Now we are going to open another new terminal. Copy. Our safety, we're going to init, giving the command. No, sorry, I'm giving the password. We are going to remove some file from htdocs, which is currently situating in lamp folder, lamp htdocs. Here we can see some extra folder are there. We are going to remove this folder. And we can see by giving this command. I'm going to remove application HTML, dashboard image, and index.php and webalizer. We're going to copy this. To remove any program, we know we have to give rm -r, and we can see many of the folder have been deleted, and we can also delete the other which are folder. I'm going to keep the Fabi icon for if I am going to need that. I'm going to leave the Fabi icon. I'm going to copy this, copy rm, giving rm command, rm paste, and bit html by copy rm. We can see all the folder file have been deleted. We are going to copy some folder which we have been previously downloaded to that location. Here we can see we cannot copy into that directory. Now we have to give open a new terminal. I'm going to that folder. We are going to open a new terminal here. Giving the command sudo su, entering the password. Saying with what we are copying. These are the folder we are going to copy to that new location which we previously saw. To copy a folder, we have to give cp, and we are going to copy this line from here. Copy and paste it here. Here we have to give our location where we are going to copy. The folder is located at opt lamp and htdocs. htdocs. Here entering the entering. Here we can see all the file have been copying to the new location. You can see that by going to the opt folder, lamp and htdocs. Here we can see that all the file have been copied. Going to minimize that. We are going to restart our Apache web server. After restarting the XAMPP app, we are going to open our browser again. And opening our browser, here we can see the folder has been loaded. Now we are going to, we can see that our website is not secure. Now we have to upload our certificate folder. We're going to settings, open certificate, view certificate, and import our certificate which we have been created. And here we can see all our PAM file, two of our PAM file. We are going to open. That file cannot be imported. Try the second one. Here we can see previously we have already uploaded the PAM file. Here we can see, go to our server EWE. Here we can see already we have uploaded our certificate folder. Because of that, we are not currently uploading this previous folder because it is already have been uploaded. Both of our PAM file, and here we can also check that CSR file. Here we can see our CSR file can be uploaded. So we are going to give the trust CA identification website and trust CA identification email address and giving OK. Okay. Now we are going to try change cert. Here we can see change cert cannot be uploaded. Server cert is also the same, and sub cert. Because of already we have uploaded 3 of our folder, none of other folder can be uploaded. Here we can see that our root folder also have been uploaded. We are going to reload this program. Sometimes it gives error, but here we can see all of our folder have been uploaded and our website is ready for our uses. Here we can go to our previous terminal to check all of our progress by grabbing 3ca command. Here we can see all of our file have been created, which have been requested by our teacher. Here we can see root folder has we have created many folders and pem file, and we have created server cert, subcerts, and we have created subcerts pem file. Here we can are concluding our presentation here. We have we have broadly described how to use Ubuntu and how to upload a certificate folder into the website. Thank you, sir, for your kindness. I am Ridwan Hussain. This is the end of our presentation. Assalamu alaikum.